Hey, hope you're having a good day so far. So I've been meaning to make this video for a while. I'm by no means an expert in ZBrush. I started like 6 months ago to learn sculpting and ZBrush and everything 3D related, basically. However, I've seen a question pop up every now and then. Is ZBrush worth it as a hobbyist? Let's find out. So a little backstory. A little while ago I started learning 3D in Blender. Since I was really into making mods for a game called Daisy, I started buying 3D models and trying to recolor them and get them into the game. However, cheap models are cheap for a reason, so I wanted to make my own stuff, and I went down the rabbit hole of 3D. I took a few courses on sculpting and I absolutely loved it. Blender is an awesome program and the community is awesome around it, and you can easily find courses and tutorials all over the place. However, my old PC, it really struggled when it came to detail sculpting, so I went looking for a solution to that problem, and I stumbled upon ZBrush. So why ZBrush, you ask? Well, as far as I could tell, it was known for being optimized for sculpting and less taxing on my old PC. So I grabbed a free trial and my PC ran a lot better compared to Blender, and that kept me motivated even more. Now ZBrush is not cheap, so I really had to give that a lot of thought before I committed to the switch from Blender. But for me it was really worth it, since it ran so much smoother and it kept me motivated to learn even more. I personally really grown to like the customizable UIs and brushes and everything that ZBrush has to offer. If you're into that stuff, that's really good in ZBrush. First, it's really scary, the UI and stuff, but once you get into it, it's really good. And as for someone who is still learning the ropes, I still think it's worth the investment. It has really kept me motivated and going further with the details and everything. Also, after I started using ZBrush, I got more into it. I committed more, is the right way to put it. So I started joining Discord communities and learning a lot more and a lot quicker. So there's that part. So is ZBrush worth it as a hobbyist? Well, my opinion is yes. If you're serious about sculpting and you need a program that can handle the demand even on an older PC and lower spec hardware, ZBrush in my opinion is a all-around awesome software, and you would also gain a plus by learning the industry standard, so you would get a leg up on everyone else who's using free software like Blender and stuff like that. That's a big plus in my book. So if you're thinking about switching up from Blender or even getting into 3D, I will highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Have an awesome day.